Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today's the master data is task list. Okay. So last time we learned about the function location. So today's not function location, work center, and today's master data is task list. Okay. Anybody know about the task list? Which idea hai? Anyone? What is the task list? Any idea? Any idea? Any thoughts? Yes or no?
Task list is like a preventive task, just like if I'm talking about the motor, then we need to calibration, alignment, and oil changing, like that, all types of task, which is which have I have to do at the same location. So,
Mm-hmm.
so routine wise, that is a
Okay.
task list.
Fine.
I
Fine.
think so.
Anybody else?
No, sir, no idea, sir.
So the future work list.
Future work list. You can say checklist. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Checklist or check sheet. Okay. Correct. You guys are correct. So task list is nothing but a check sheet or checklist in order to perform the particular maintenance activity on that particular equipment. Correct. So what are in while preventive maintenance, what are the tasks needs to be performed? Say for example, cleaning, lubrication, we can say tightening, we can say blowing. So these are the some tasks. So this task get list down. So this is nothing but a task list. End user called is as a checklist or check sheet, but SAP consultant called it as a task list. Both things are same. Correct. Now to create, see, we can say task list is a checklist or check sheet. So there are three types of task list available in plant maintenance model. First is a equipment task list, second is a function location task list, and third one is a general task list. For three
Sorry, sir,
types
I
of,
want to say something. Uh,
yes, you can.
yeah, please, brother Saurav and Vasu, please mute your meeting.
Yes,
Otherwise, it
yes,
will
yes,
affect
yes,
the
yes.
video. Thank you. Thank you so much, brother.
Fine, fine. There is no issue if any background noise. So I'm repeating again. Task list is nothing but a checklist and check sheet. There are three types of task list available in plant maintenance module. First is a equipment task list, second is a function location task list, and third is a general task list. For three types of task lists, there are the three different T codes. For equipment task list, T code is IA01. Function location task list, T code is IA11. And general task list, T code is IA0. And mostly interviewer asks is T code also. Because when you learn so many things, that time you get forgot. You just remember the equipment task list T code IA01. And someone asks you regarding the general task list, so you are saying IA11, or for function location task list, then you are saying IA05. So remember that properly. Otherwise, you can relate it, but remember the T code, that is important. Correct. Right now, we are trying to create task list of equipment. So we are using the T code IA01. Okay. So now we are quickly, there is no theory regarding task list. Task list is simple. Task list is nothing but a checklist or check sheet. And what are the tasks needs to perform on the particular equipment or the particular function location or the any generalized work. So for that we can create a task list, and this is an important master data in SAP plant maintenance. So now we are quickly moving to the system. So what is the T code to create the equipment task list? IA01. Okay. press enter. So now the page will be open like create equipment task list, and they are asking about the equipment. So we should have to give equipment as an input. So which equipment we should have to select? So we can check from our list, otherwise we can check from this hierarchy. Otherwise, if you have equipment number, so you can directly put. So it's depend. So take any equipment, whichever available in particular plant. I'm just searching out. So induction motor 2 is my equipment, 2605. Copying it and go there. Just providing this. Yes. I just provided the equipment number over here. No need to provide anything. Profile we are not using. Change number we are not using. Key date automatically take a today's date. So what is meaning by profile? What is meaning by change number? Change number used for some tracking and some approval purpose. If someone have the approval while creating the task list, so without providing change number, they are not able to create a task list. But this is a optional functionality of plant maintenance. Generally, most of people not use, but in pharma industry, if they want some calibration task list, so that time they should want track very fine in nature. That in that case they provide the change number, but it's the optional functionality. Profile is nothing but when there are so many profiles are available. So profile is nothing but a shortcut. If you select the PM profile, what are the data inside the task list? It will get automatically fill up. So every time no need to fill the data. So it will save our time. But right now we are learning to create a task list, so we are not going to shortcut. Correct? We are not using this. Just provide the equipment number and press enter. Now create equipment task list header general view screen will be open. Here each and every task list having task list group counter and task list type. So this is the equipment task list, so its task list type is E. Group is a 13. So from when 13 will become? From the system. Okay, so what are the groups available? So system is automatically giving us. Yes, we can change the group counter. System is there one group counter, we can give the 0, 1 as well. Correct. We can give 2 as well. We can give 3 as well. It's just a number. Which number task list you are making? Inside the group there are 4 task lists already available. So we should have to give group counter like a 5. Correct. And now inside the 13 group there is a no task list available, so we can give group counter as a 1. Correct? Understand? Any doubt in it? What is group and what is group counter? Anyone?
No, sir.
This is a simple thing, right? So now provide the name, like which task list. So this is a equipment task list, so we can provide a equipment task list. And what is the equipment? It's induction motor, so we can say induction motor as well. Okay, just provide a name for task list. Now planning plan is automatically come. Why this 1010 values automatically come? We are not free. These values come from equipment master data. While creating the equipment, we provide the planning plan and maintenance plan. Correct. So in the previous screen we provide the equipment, so that master data is automatically get fetched over here. Okay, so now planning plan is automatically come. External ID. So what is the external ID? External ID is used when we should have used this task list in any other application other than SAP. If our SAP task list is integrating with any other software, we can say MES, Oracle, or any other software, we should have to provide this task list data to their software. So we should have to put their link over here. Correct. So this is used for external ID purpose. It is also the optional thing. Okay, this is not a mandatory thing, but you should have to know where to put the external ID. So they are giving the URL or endpoint, so we should have to take and copy paste over here. Just this is the work. So now assignment to header. So work center is automatically come. It will come from where? Can anybody tell me why this value is automatically come over here? Anyone? Any thought? Same. Work center is come from equipment, right? We are
Equipment
providing
master
first
data.
stream equipment. So and while creating the equipment, we are already provided the equipment. So that data is carried forward from equipment master only. Correct. Usage. So work center is a clear usage. So usage is a very important thing and interview question in the task list master data. So what usage is to be selected. Interviewer also asks you while creating the task list which usage you are selecting. So what is your thought? What to be selected?
Plant maintenance.
Correct. We should have to select the plant maintenance. So it is interview question. So there is again one thought in your mind. It is very simple. Why it is interview question? Because it is having importance. So when we learn the maintenance plan in next upcoming lectures, upcoming in the sense after the transactional data, we learn the maintenance plan. So while learning the maintenance plan, inside the maintenance plan, we assign the particular task list. This master data we assign there. Means we have to create here, but this master data number we assign there in the maintenance plan for planning purpose, for automatic order generation purpose. That time system will not allow us to assign unless and until we select 4 here. Otherwise we select any other things. So if we not select anything, if kept it empty, so system giving us a error. So task list application, task list assignment for the particular maintenance plan is not allowed. So this is an important thing. When I teach you the maintenance plan, that time I also told you, don't worry. So always, and remember also while creating task list, we select the uses like 4, and this is a plan maintenance. Okay.
This all description is already filled there, huh, sir?
This is a standard. This is the standard available. We
This
can
already
create a
filled.
custom also. We can create a custom also. From going there, we can create a custom. Okay. Any custom, but always follow the standard while creating the master data. These are the standard. These are created by SAP itself, SAP company itself. They are giving us a standard. We are means while configuring means if you want create some different, so that time we should have to copy this and create new. So we just have to take a reference of this standard only. So while learning the master data, always think about the standard. What are the standard available that we should have to know as a consultant. And while when we customizing or go to configuration, that time we create the custom as well. I will show while in the configuration in the same master data how to create the custom as well. But just try to first learn what are the standard available in SAP and then go to the custom. Next is a planner group. So which planner group I should have to select? Any planner group you can select, like a maintenance planner or any custom planner group. We should have to create this planner group as well, but what are the available in standard, you just take. So I will take a maintenance planner. Any doubt in it? Planner group?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So planner group is nothing but a group of people or department who are responsible for planning activities. Correct? Electrical, mechanical, like that. Overall status. What is the overall status? Is nothing but a simple. Overall status always take a general release. This is the standard. Correct? Why we are not taking created, release order, release costing, and common? This is I'm creating means ये मैंने बनाया. This is a custom. So not take anything because it is having impact on the system. It is created for some specific purpose. So which specific purpose I will tell you while learning the configuration. But right now while creating the master data, just select the 4, release and general. So for remembering, it's very easy. While creating the equipment task list for usage and for overload status, just select 4. Simple thing. Now system condition. Overall status is nothing but it's the interlocking purpose they are using. So it's bit advanced level thinking. So right now just remember release general. What are its impact regarding the costing and release from order. So that I will tell you later. Okay, when you are means bit familiar with the SAP, that time I will tell what are its impact. But right now select 4 only. Now system condition. So name suggested that what are the system condition. System condition means machine is working or not. Simple. Machine is in operation or not in operation. So now we are taking right not in operation. Okay. You can select this while creating the order as well. But right now just select not in operation. Maintenance strategy. So maintenance strategy is also the 1 hour lecture. While learning the maintenance strategy, you should have to invest your 1 hour. Okay. So when the topic comes, we'll learn. But right now, whatever the strategy is available, just select any strategy. So right now we are selecting like PM strategy 5 or PM main strategy or strategy for induction motor. So right now we are creating equipment task list for induction motor. So we should have to select the strategy for induction. So what is strategy? Don't worry, it will require 1 hour to learn. Okay. So now assembly. So don't fill anything in assembly because assembly is used and maintained by the other model. We are not maintaining over here. Reference element PM and PS. Don't fill anything over here also because it is the integration point related to plant maintenance and project system module. So we are not using the integration as well. If some industry, if in your project, if there is integration, so you just have to select the reference element from here. What are the reference element available? But right now, no need to fill anything in assembly and reference element in PM/PS. Deletion flag. So if you tick, what will happen? If you untick, what will happen? If you tick on deletion flag, so you cannot use this task list in any other application. So for example, in maintenance plan also you cannot use it. So don't provide deletion flag. So if you don't provide deletion flag, it will active. So you can utilize this task list anywhere. Any doubt in assignment to header in this field? You can ask. Anyone? Any doubt? Bolo, yaar, you should have to ask me the doubt.
Sir, sir, last reference element PM. What is it?
This
Sir, last one, John.
yes. This is the integration point between plant maintenance and project system module. If there is an integration between plant maintenance and project system, you should have to fill some data over here. Okay. When I said no, don't fill anything, so leave it. Don't think about it. When I say filled anything, so concentrate on this. So this is your interview question. No one asks you this type of integration point. Yes. When I teach you the integration project system and PM, that time I again come over here and tell you this is the integration point. So that lecture you should have to remember because if we are taking if we are considering everything in one topic, so you get so much confused. Correct. So what are the important
Okay.
data available while creating the EQ master data? That you should have to remember. Someone I expect question from usage. I expect question from planner group overall status. So this is important while creating the equipment. Okay. For integration, we are taking separate lecture for each and every module. What are the integration point? I will give the points. I will show how the integration will work. So don't worry about it.
Okay, sir.
So this is assignment to header. Next sub tab is a QM data. So its name suggested that quality module data. QM data means quality module data. So this is again the integration point with plant maintenance and quality. But while creating the master data task list for plant maintenance, we are not using this tab. Nothing will be filled. But when we create the task list for calibration process, so in your syllabus there is a calibration process available. Calibration is a business process, and this process is the combination of quality maintenance, quality module, QM module, and plant maintenance module. So that time we are again creating the task list. for quality inspection purpose. So that time we should have to fill the data. But right now we are just creating the equipment task list and there is no integration between our module and other module because we are first learning our module. Then we are learning the integration point. Correct? पहले अपना समझना important.
Okay.
So don't fill anything over here. Leave it empty. Assembly, reference, and these 4 data. Just fill usage is very much important. Planner group, overall status. In that, 2 things are very much important: usage and overall status. You should have to remember and always check when you are working on support project. If you are having the ticket related to task list some issues, directly go to master data and first check these 2 fields: usage and overall system data. If these 2 fields is correctly maintained, your 80% problem will be solved in this field. If there is some different issue, so you can check other things as well. Okay, these 2 things is very important. Now just press enter, so all data will become. Now go to operation, click over here, so you can get some different screen. So inside the operation, this is the activity. So this is 0010 0020 is nothing but a serial number 1 2 3 4 5 like that. This is the work center, correct? So same work center is carry forward which we are providing in the previous screen. This is a plant and this is a control key. So control key is what? Control key is represent which maintenance team is working, whether internal maintenance team is working or external maintenance team is working, correct? So now we are considering PM01 is a control key, correct? So PM01 is for internal maintenance team, correct? If someone don't know, don't worry, I will teach this about the control key in detail as well. But right now just remember that PM01 is a control key and PM01 is control key we are using for internal maintenance team and PM02 for external maintenance. Simple. So operation description. Now we are creating the task list for induction motor. So tell me the task. What are the tasks needs to perform for preventive maintenance of induction motor? Connection.
Blurring.
No, don't tell me the general, specific. General we are taking. Yes, you can provide a blurring also, but in general task list also provide. So check the motor encoder. We can check motor encoder. Again, winding resistance we should have to change. Okay. Check the motor voltage. Tight the connection. Correct. Tightening of connection. These things we can take. Correct. So this thing we have to take. Now we should have to provide more things over here as well. So in that we should have to provide the work. So how much time required to perform the check the motor encoder? So we can say 1 hour required. Winding resistance, so we can say 2 hours required. This is just a अंदाजे से ले रहे हो, correct? This is just a estimation. This is not a like a perfect timing. As per your maintenance experience, you can take. For checking the voltage, you require some 1 hour. For tightening the connection, you require some 2 hours. Like that. Okay, we are just doing the planning only. Correct? Now we are providing this. So what is its like unit? So unit of work. So it is in hour only. So provide hour HR hour. Same for everything hour. Now numbers. Number means how many people required to perform this motor encoder checking. So we can say that 1 people is enough or 2 people is enough. So 2 people is working. Checking winding resistance, again 1 people required. Checking motor voltage, 1 people required. Tightening, we can say 2 people required. So two numbers of manpower required. Now don't fill anything in duration. Again they are asking the unit. So provide just unit like hour, because we are doing all the calculations in timings and hours only. Now no need to fill anything in duration. System will automatically calculate the duration from the data provided by us, work and number of person required. So now this is an important calculation key. So tell me what to select in calculation key. Any thought? Any thought? What to select?
Duration. Calculate duration.
Correct. Because we should have to calculate the duration over here. So we don't want to calculate manually. We don't want to calculate work because we are providing the work to the system. We don't have to calculate the capacities because capacity related settings we already covered in work center. Correct. Work center master data. So we are selecting the calculate duration. So for one we should have to select. Over here also same we should have to select like calculate duration. Same for here. Same for here. Now just print no need to fill anything in other data. It is not required for us. Okay, I will tell whatever they require, but just this is important: work, unit, number, people, duration, unit of duration, and calculation. And whenever I press enter, so automatically system will calculate the duration. So you can see duration will automatically calculate. Simple. Work divided by number of person, that will take 1 divided by 2.5, 2 divided by 1, 2, 1 divided by 1, 1, and 2 divided by 2, 1. Simple calculation. With the help of calculation T, system automatically done. Correct? Any doubt in it? Anyone?
No, sir.
Simple thing we
No, sir.
provided. We just provided the list of operation. We just done some planning like estimated planning. It is not a fixed planning. Correct? Estimated planning. What time required for work? How many manpower required? And system will calculate the duration. So system will tell us to check the encoder 0.5 half an hour is required. Check the resistance 2 hours is required, like that. Okay. So don't feel anything over here. Just use these things only. Now system is asking for maintenance packages. So go to the maintenance packages. Click over here. So right now this is the 3 month, or we can say 6 month. Correct. So here the what we select we select the strategy. So as per strategy these things will become. So we mistakenly select the 3H over here. We should have 6M over here. Means 3 month or 6 month. So we can give the tick like to check the encoder. We should have to perform this operation 3 months. To check the winding resistance every 3 months. To check the motor voltage every 6 months. To tightening every 3 months, like that. Consider this 3H like a 6 month. We can modify it. How to modify? We will see this in a strategy lecture. Correct. So these packages we should have to give. If you want, we should have to done all the works in 3 months. So you can provide the tick like. Any doubt in it? As per the
No,
strategy,
sir.
that will become. You should have to provide 1 month, 2 month, 3 month. Otherwise, 1 month, 3 months, 6 month, 1 year. So that strategy will become. It's depend upon the strategy what we provided over here. You can see. I'll show you the strategy as well. See, maintenance strategy. So strategy for induction motor provided. Like this strategy, the packages will be behave. So for that we should have to first create the strategy. So whenever the strategy lecture come, that time I told you how to create the maintenance strategy. Okay. Go to the operation, go to the package. That packaging is we should have to provide. If anyone having, there is no maintenance strategy available in the system, so leave it empty. So no need to provide strategy. It is not a compulsion. Okay. So when we learn the strategy lecture, that time again you should have to create a task list and provide your strategy. So that time you can replicate what the things will happen. Now this is the done. No need to do anything, just save it. So you can get like message equipment task list is saved 2605. Correct. Simple thing to create a task list. Now go to the function location task. Function location task list is also same. Just T code is different. Why it is same? So we can create function location as well if possible. There are some limited options. There are conditions where function location task list will use. So what is T code? IA11. Enter. And first we should have to provide the function location. After providing function location, same screen you are getting. Correct. Same screen you are getting. Go to the operation. Same value you should have to fill. So equipment task list and function location task list is the same. Difference is that T code is the difference, and while creating the equipment task list, we should have to provide the equipment number. While creating the function location task list, you should have to provide the function location number. So as a homework, you should have created function location task list as well, equipment task list as well. Next is a general task list. So what is the T code? IA05. So go there, go back, IA05. So while creating the general task list, system not asking us anything to fill. So they are asking us to fill group. So don't do anything, just click enter. So interface is automatically lit up. Yes or no? Any doubt in it?
No.
While creating the equipment task list, all the things in the screenshot I provided, A check, B check, C check, you can provide the check name as well. See, you can see the maintenance packages over here correctly. So this is a weekly, 2 weekly, monthly, 1 monthly, 2 monthly. As per that you can select the packages, but it is depend upon the what strategy you are selecting while creating this master data. Correct. If strategy is available in the system, in your system select. If not available, no need to select, just keep it empty. After learning the strategy lecture, and again edit this task list master data and provide and check you are able to provide the packages or not. Correct. Now we quickly create the general task list as well. We are providing general task list or task list. Okay. Provide planning plant. Why system is asking us to provide planning plant? In equipment task list, why system is not asking us to provide planning plant? Simple thing. That taken the data from equipment master. Here is we are not providing any data. That is why we should have to provide the data. So they are asking work center as well. Select the work center what are available in your plant only. Which work center you are selecting? So select electrical or mechanical work center. Right now we are selecting mechanical. What usage we should have to select? What usage I should have to select? So it's for plant maintenance. What is a planner group? So we can say the maintenance planner. What is the overall status? We can select the general. So release general. What are the system condition? So we can say in operation or not in operation. It depends upon you only. What is the maintenance strategy? Right now we don't have to provide the strategy. If required, provide. Otherwise, no need. So right now we are providing some different strategy. So PM maintenance strategy right now. No need to provide assembly. No need to provide reference element. Keep all the things empty. Just enter and go to the operation and provide some generalized operation like blowering, because this is general task list, anywhere we can use. Cleaning, correct, lubrication. Any other point? So we can take a blowing 2 hours required, cleaning 1 hour required, lubrication 1 hour required, unit of measure is hour only. Same thing I am repeating. Number of person, 1 person required, again 1, again 2 person required, cleaning 2 required, lubrication 1 required. Like this. So what is it? Unit hours. And what are the calculation key? What should be the calculation key? We need to select 1. Correct? Yes or no? Am I audible, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Audible, sir.
So system automatically calculate the duration as well. Now while calculating duration, system give me error. Activity type. So whenever you are getting the activity type
Sir,
error.
why give the number 1? 1, why give?
Yes, I will tell you. So whenever the activity type error, just keep entering and remove activity type. Keep enter. So automatically. Number one, it's a calculation key. So you can see to calculate the duration, 1 is a key, right? Because system is automatically calculate duration for us after selecting the calculation key. Correct. So calculation key number is 1, that is why I'm selecting. Got it or not?
Got it, sir.
Yes, yes, got it.
These are simple things. Now again go to same thing I'm repeating. I'm not doing some different. Go to maintenance package. So these are the packages available. So blowing will perform after we can say 3 months. Cleaning will perform after every month. Lubrication will perform after 6 months. Like these packages you can select, but it depend upon the strategy which strategy you are selecting. Simple. Go back and save it. Now you can see general task list is saved. Correct time. So this is a simple master data. Now in order to check the list of task list, so use the T code IA09. Whatever the task list we have created right now, so we have to see this. So IA09 is the T code. Enter this and provide like equipment task list and general task list we created. If we check the function location task list as well, what is our plant? 1010. Yes, anybody is talking? And just execute. So whatever the task list available, just we select which task list we created just now. Anybody tell me? Equipment task list for induction motor. This we created, correct? So there are the segregation. Task list type is E, group is 13, and counter is 1. So equipment task list. And just now we are creating the general task list. So this is a general task list. Task list type is A. So interviewer asks you, while creating the equipment task list, what are the task list type? So simple, equipment task list is the E task list. While creating the general task list, what are the task list type? So general task list type is A. And for function location, task list type is T. So this thing you should have to remember. So this is the list of task list created and available in the system as well. Okay. Any doubts?
Also,
Yes. So this is very important master data task list because it is having application. So we can use in the maintenance plan. We can use the task list in auto generation of preventive maintenance order. That time in the operation field of the maintenance order, we we are not, means there is no requirement to fill any data. From task list, system will automatically pick the data and automatically the whatever the task, whatever the operation for preventive maintenance of future order will get automatically updated. If we are creating the maintenance plan for orders, say for example, every month preventive maintenance order will get generated. So in that plan, we are providing the plan cycle is for 13 days, and we are assigning the particular task list regarding the equipment or function location or maybe general task list. So that task list automatically pulls the data in the operation tab. Okay. So right now, if you are not getting this point, but when we are learning the maintenance order, that time you are clear. That is why it is important to learn master data first while learning the SAP in every module, not only plant maintenance module, every module. So any doubt other than this? Anybody? Otherwise we can close that.
No, sir. And what about my error, sir?
What?
What about my error, sir? Which I am
Your
facing
error
that one.
I should have to fix in your system first. मुझे आपका सिस्टम
Okay.
देखना पड़ेगा, उसमें कौन सा प्लांट ओके देखना पड़ेगा. Same for Saurabh. If you are trying to create the data, if system not taking 1010, so give me your credentials. I will tell you the correct plant, whatever available in system. Because everyone have a different system. Don't compare each and every system. एक बार plant दिया तो वही plant हर बार use करने का. You should have to create a new plant also, but creation of plant is not our work, because creation of plant is not only easy, because it should have to much and more backend setting to work it properly. Okay, तो मेरे को पहले देखने दो, आप नहीं ढूंढ पाओगे तो whatever the correct plan, so I shall tell that continue with that code while creating your master data system. Well practiced.
Okay, then I'm going to send in the WhatsApp group, sir.
Yes, you can send WhatsApp group your credentials. Whenever I got time, I will tell you the plan.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Chalo then, good night. Vinith and Vasu, any doubt? You are
No, sir.
ठीक है ओके